Williams now tells us that the school welfare and guidance and counseling officers participated in a workshop that will see renewal of the service in hinterland dormitories.
Initially, the program's first phase was piloted at St. Ignatius in Region 9, Bartica in Region 7, and Charity in Region 2 for a period of 2 years. Through the program, welfare officers and guidance counselors were dispatched across secondary schools' dormitories across the nation. Chief Welfare Officer Gillian VYPHUIS says,
1. Officers committing to participate. Reluctance from the redos from some regions to release officers because of shortage of staff. Timely response from officers identified to participate. As a result, delay in start in some cases. Officers committed to participate withdrew at the appointed time. Lack of essential resources from the regional authorities to aid in transportation and accommodation in some cases.
The administration is of the view that the program will assist children being afforded all opportunities in order to be well-rounded, including being mentally capable of handling issues on their own. Chief Education Officer MARCEL HUTSON explains.
We want all our children to perform, all our children to do well, and therefore those children that operate in the dormitory schools, of course there are issues there that if we do not deal with those issues intelligently, we could very well find ourselves in a situation where our children fail to perform, and that is not what we want as a people in this country.
The workshop will allow the officers to make recommendations that will improve the program. The program is a collaboration between the Ministry of Education and the United Nations Children's Fund, UNICEF. Zanil Williams for Info Hub.